crown. Come to the crown. Bring Engage over the wall, okay? I'm gonna put SQ as heart. That's where you put your royal jacket, okay? Okay, hold. I need info on that, okay? Yo, I need mana on the back always. Yo, stay on the
TC,
crown, boys. Stay on the
TC,
crown. Stay on the crown.
Northeast blob.
TC.
Okay.
Level 10 desare.
Okay. Hold here. Okay, hold. Yo, we're engaged. You see the west side? You see the southwest, ha? Yung west, hard west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard west. This guy, west. Okay, come back. Yo, jackets now. Jackets on the heart. Okay, yung dalawang extra realm breaker ko, don't jacket agad, ah. Don't jacket. Yung dalawang extra realm breaker ko, don't jacket. Off timer jacket kayo, okay? We're holding.
Iba yung color nila, ano?
Hindi ko mainit yung heart.
Yung heart SQ. Yo, party 2. Mark na si SQ, northwest, ito, malapit sa crowd. Party 2. SQ.
I think
And then-
Sophie's gonna run bomb squad.
Okay,
Yung color
okay.
nila.
Kasi
Okay. Yo, hold here.
Pinarafarang
After ng first royal jacket, dapat yung second jacket mamaya kayo. Kapag nag-engage ulit tayo, second jacket naman, ha?
They're
Royal
walking
breakers.
west side na.
They're
I think
facing-
They're gonna fight TC first.
Okay, let them fight TC. It's better.
29 disarray.
Yeah, let them fight. Like, let TC fight. Biyahin nyo sila. Kasi, yo, whatever we catch, okay, we kill. Okay, perfect engage northwest, ha? Wait, hold lang. Pinacheck ko pa. I'm checking. Hold in the heart. SQ, stay still ka nga, SQ. Hold in the heart. Always hold in the heart. Don't follow the crowd muna.
Cutthroat's catching.
Rift is dead.
No.
Hindi na lang, nasa kabilang zone.
Okay. We're holding.
Miriga might be color. Earth Rune 4.1. Dismount.
He's walking back.
Okay. We're holding here.
Okay. Inching up.
They're inching up na. They're close.
Okay.
All dismounted.
You should see them now.
Okay. Hold. Yo, we're gonna get shallow. We're gonna shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west now. Shallow west, boys. Shallow west. Like, come back. Jackets on the heart. Okay, good job. D-Tanks, huwag na kayo mag-face check. Wala naman sila may engage dyan, eh. Huwag na kayo mag-face check. Don't face check.
They have a
Mirror me,
Mistbraker
mirror.
bomb. They have a
Okay.
Mistbraker bomb. Looking for Toby.
Okay, hold here, okay? Hold. Careful, ah. Call out the
They're
Mistbraker bombs, ha? Call out the Mistbraker bombs, yung, GAs and, the, call this,
They're inching
Arcane,
west,
okay?
guys. They might look at...
They're walking
Okay,
west again.
Okay, they're
Okay,
coming
it's
up.
fine. We're holding here,
I don't see Topo.
Si Burakyo lang kita ako. Earth Rune. Yun yung engage nila ngayon eh.
I thought si Topo is here.
Hindi nga eh.
There's an AFK DPS here. Lunch west side. Never mind.
Okay, where?
Never mind. Still looking for Topo.
We might be featured in Albion TV, guys. I message Mogu. Just stay here,
May laban
okay?
din ng Jin, bro. Huwag ka mag-expect.
Tapos hindi nila naman yung
May
titigil.
laban ng Jin at Jigu.
Maybe.
Still don't see.
We're holding here, boys. Playtime. We're not gonna go outside. Bro.
Yeah, they're just holding west. So may Hodge sila. Hodge, Golem.
Ito, yung nag-scout ng tabang scout ng Erion. Yan, ito.
Where?
Yung sa unahan, nag-scout.
Okay, you can GA it. Kapag na-GA mo siya, sabihin mo sa akin.
Titignan ko na sila. Naka-mount up naman. Yung huge work na 7-3. Naka-white wolf. na speed.
Yeah. Ear yun, Rift bleed back.
They're inching up, west side, cutthroat.
Okay, look at the crowd now, look at the crowd. Stay on the heart, but look at the crowd, okay? Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. Hide your names. Stay here, hug the wall here, hug
Tofu
this
is
wall.
here. Tofu is here.
Where? Where is here?
He's holding the banner. He's the one holding the banner.
Okay. Tell me if they inch up, okay?
They're engaging on the guards outside.
Okay, it's fine. Wait, I don't wanna go. Yo, engage southwest. Oh wait, no, cancel. Guys,
Levy.
we're holding, okay? We're holding.
Ban. Levy.
We're holding. Careful over the wall, guys. Careful over the wall. Yo, I need guard runes, ha? Guard runes. Demon, Bedrock Mace, I need guard runes on the front, okay? And then, when I count down, you need guard runes on the front in 3, okay? In 3. And then, I need Occult, and then the Oath Keeper, and the, we call this, Locus, okay? Locus don't engage. Don't use it defensively. Para get ready for anti-clap. I mean, counter.
Missing ang Buke, Bob Scott.
We play time. Yo! Prophetic Age, shallow, ha? Shallow west. Waited. Shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west now. Oh, ba't yung GNA? Ba't yung GNA, Boy! Don't GNA, bro!
Sino yun?
Sino yung GA nun? Kitang-kita. Let me cook. May GA, pre. Sayang, engage na dapat yun. Yo, jacket. Yeah.
Western Paradise inshore right now, they build hideout inshore. So they have
Okay.
20 dizzery. And this is
Yes.
Comfort right now, they have 20 dizzery and 20 dizzery.
Okay. But our job is to just defend this, bro. So I don't wanna, like push. Yo, prophetic age west shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West shallow. NTB up.
Engaging.
Root bound, careful. Okay. When they level, ha?
Pwede ko sila
Yes,
itulak-tulak sa'yo para makapag-
Okay. Sige, tulak mo. Sa west, ha? Sa west. Ready ka na? Ready. Everybody
Ready.
Okay,
Ay,
prophetic
walking
age
out
west.
sila, walking out sila.
Walking out sila.
They're walking out. Walking away sila.
If they're level 40 disarray, then we just defend Terry. Like literally Terry. We have wait, level 20 this in show. Who is this?
Hindi ko na afford to lose this resource.
Wala, yun ang mga show.
Who's this?
Declaration pa lang naman yung sa levy eh. So, pwede natin siya i-left tomorrow. Ito, important.
Kaya nag-OC tayo doon. Patay tayo dun. Hindi, pwede naman tayo mag-OC, no?
Yep.
All of cutthroat is mounted.
May extra food kayo guys. Wala kayo extra food.
They're so
Dapat
far.
may extra food yun.
Nasa banner sila lahat naka-dismount.
Eh, they're just trying to push us out, bro. Like, literally.
Censor.
Yes.
Censor. They're gonna leave, let's
Yes.
try to chase them, but don't fight.
Okay. Mount up.
안탑에서 와봐, 싸우지 않을까?
Mount up. Come southwest.
I think they're gonna try to help in shore right now.
Shoal.
Yeah.
Yo, hold this. Can we hold this? Can they declare another one if ever?
I mean, so
Or
you're
no?
not defending Levy
Yeah,
instead?
TC, I mean,
Wait.
Lift is fighting in shore right now, so they're
No,
fighting
okay.
in Western Paradise.
No. We're not gonna go for that, okay? We're gonna defend Levy. Someone might declare Levy, bro. Diesel.
I don't know.
I mean, they're
Yeah.
getting right now.
Where?
Sa Levy.
Where? Levy. Okay. Come northwest. We're gonna go Levy.
No, wait mo muna yung banner, mawala. Para ma-defend.
Wait, wait. Okay. Come back.
2 minutes
Come back.
lang.
Diesel, can you hold the banner here? And then I'll go levy, and then come levy after.
Comes,
Yeah, I just don't think of
Okay.
them.
Comes,
Okay. Counter toss.
Last.
Counter toss. Hindi kasi sayang yung time kapag nag-hold pa tayo dito, break na nila yung ano. They're just gonna full push. Counter toss. I need info here, okay? In pink. We're gonna go northwest, then northeast. Okay?
Kasi sira talaga audio pagka madaming skills. Or maraming S sound effects.
Okay. Did they drop banner in levy?
Kanina pa. Like 2 minutes,
Okay,
3 minutes ago.
Okay. Diesel, are you good there? Are you good?
Yeah, we will move to leave after banner time.
Okay. We just prioritize defending Terry's for now, okay? Then content after.
Tapos
That's
sa
your
Terry.
content big mom. Yes.
Baka mag-catch na, inap.
Make your way sa northwest We're gonna enter northwest of Terry, okay? Northwest of Terry. Actually,
Wala pa sa
southwest.
first gate. Wala pa sila sa first gate.
Okay. Wala pa sa first gate.
Hindi, basag na yung isang side. Ay, hindi pa pala.
Busag na ba? Hindi.
Ilan disarrays? Mom?
Okay, they broke into the first wall already.
How many disarrays, big mom?
Don't know. Same. Depende sa blob. So, maybe same as us right now.
Okay. They cannot declare again in the in big red. Okay.
Declaration
Enter
lang.
here, guys. Enter here on the crowd. Hello, on the pink. Then go southeast.
Level 10,
Okay.
level 10.
Level 10.
Nakapasok na sila ah.
Okay. Yo, dismount here. Dismount here. Up, northwest. Yo, follow the crowd. We're gonna get shallow, okay? Shallow, wait.
Wait lang.
Hold.
Dalawang guild to, dalawang guild.
Tayo.
Okay. Just
Tulog
hold
ka na
for now. Okay, hold. Okay, we're gonna get southeast shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow. Wala pa.
Layo,
Wala
layo.
pa.
Na-silence ako. Silence.
Okay. Nice. It's okay. Yo, jackets. Except yung royal, yung dalawang realm pa. Yung dalawang realm na extra, wag muna kayo mag-jackets, okay?
So,
Okay.
Big Bomb,
Hold.
east side, Shark Chuto,
Okay.
Junior Town.
Okay.
Shark.
Come southwest a bit. Yo, look, you see the skull here in the east, ha? I'll mark the skull. We're gonna engage that skull in the east, ha? Wait, hold. Engage
East,
east, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage east shallow on the skull. Okay, come back. Jackets again. Wag mo na yung realm breaker. Wag mo na. Okay. Yo, I'm gonna go out, ha? Hold here on the crowd. Hold here on the heart. Dito ka, heart, follow me. Heart, dito ka, okay? Hold there. I'm gonna go out and then I'm gonna pull, ha? I'm gonna pull southeast. Yo,
They
papitigin
just
shallow,
engage Shark
southeast.
Chutos, just
5,
engage.
4,
Outside.
3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast now. Shallow southeast. Okay, come back. Okay. We're just play slow, okay? Play slow. Hold, guys. Hold. Yeah, guys. I need you to look south, ha? Look south. Come southwest a bit, okay?
I think Diesel's here
Okay,
already. We're 20
Okay. I know, okay. Yo, we're taking southeast, ha? We're taking southeast shallow, okay? Southeast shallow. Okay, hold for now. Southeast shallow, ha? Over the wall. Kita niyo yung bomb squad kung saan sila nag-engage. Doon tayo mag-engage, okay?
They're
Southeast shallow, ha?
very low.
Okay. Okay, it's fine. Yo, we're taking southeast shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow now. Southeast shallow. Good job. Nice one. Okay, come back. Jackets now. Yan. Yan lang gusto ko, pre. Spread here, okay? Hold here, okay? Hold here, okay? Hold here. Hold. Look east, okay? Look east over the wall, ha? Z, i-push mo nga sila sa akin. I-push mo sila sa akin. Okay? Prepare the gauge. East over the wall.
You open
East
the
over the
door
wall
na
in 5,
sa east.
4, 3, 2, 1. East over the wall now. East over the wall. 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 Okay, good job. Come back. Jackets now.
You're good to engage south mo.
Okay. Yo, come out southeast now. Come out southeast. Yo, defense it out. Push now. Repeat the gauge. Deep east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in the middle now. Everything in the middle. And come back southwest. Hold. Get back to the gate. I know, trust me. Get back to the gate. Hold. Less on the front. Yo, defensive on the east. Yo, D-Tanks dapat call out sa south. Yo, come northwest. Isa lang namatay. Come out northwest. Come on. Yo, hold here. Christian double here. Diesel, go back. Okay? They're engaging now. Hold. Over the wall southeast, ha? Hold. Did they go out? Okay, come southeast now. Get out.
They're fighting with FC.
I know. Okay. Keep pushing southeast. Follow the crowd. Look east. Oh, they'll come southeast. Keep pushing southeast. Southwest. Okay, we're going northeast now. Everything is deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Deep northeast is shoot. Good job. And kite west. Yo, hold. Kite west. Yo, jackets ready. Yo, look southeast, ha. Look southeast, boys. Look southeast. Keep pushing southeast. Where are they? I need. Yo, come west. Okay, come southeast. This is Ava. Sino to? Kakapi ba natin itong Awa?
Sure.
Okay, Team Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Hindi nag-iingat sa atin, loko.
Everything here. Drop everything. Ano yun? Alay, hindi ba?
No.
Hindi. Kill.
No, come north. Jackets while you're at it. Jackets on the heart.
Big Mom still holding southeast on my ping.
Okay. Come southeast now. Come southeast. Diesel, we're gonna push southeast. Come east.
Don't kill Aidan.
Where? Okay. Come. Okay, fine. Yo, come west.
Okay,
Come west.
Food check.
Mount up. We're gonna wrap around west. We're gonna go to the back line of Big Mom, okay? We're gonna go to the back line of Big Mom.
Southwest.
Okay. Dismount here. Come south now. Where? Exactly.
Ito yung likod ng
Some club
Okay. They go east.
Southwest.
Okay, come east.
They're right here. On you. They're running southwest.
Hold.
On ping.
Yo, everything is deep northeast in 5.
Dito din ang food check. You might get food check.
Everything northeast now. Trust me. Everything northeast. Good job. Keep catching. Okay, come back southwest. Glance to the front. Okay, come southeast. Yo, jackets, boys. I don't need to call jackets, man. Come southeast.
Big Mom going southeast.
I know, come southeast, guys. Southeast. Hold. Glances on the back. Repeating it.
On my ping.
Deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east now, boys. Anything we got. Ito, sa front. Okay, come back.
Headbutt.
Yo, demon armors at the front. Trust me. Demon armors at the front. Demon. Okay, good job. We're wrapping around south. Keep pushing west. Big Mom is trying to push into us. Yo, jackets now. We're gonna counter south, ha? Look at the crowd, okay? We're waiting it. Shallow east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east now. Shallow east. In the crowd. In the crowd. In the crowd. In the crowd. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep walking
Don't hit
northwest now.
Island, don't
Fire
hit
northwest.
Island,
I know.
don't hit
Keep pushing
Island.
west. Keep pushing west. Keep pushing west. Keep pushing west. Glance on the front. 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 Trust me. Trust me. Jack is in the front. Jack is in the front. Jack is in the front. Keep pushing southwest. 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 Yo, we're gonna catch east, huh?
Big Mom here in the
East.
east.
Deep east in the GA in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east now. Deep east. Deep east. Boys. Deep east. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge, boys. It's huge. It's huge. Good job. Keep rolling them. Keep rolling them now. Using W inside. Using W inside. Using W inside. Prepare defenses. Prepare defenses. They're pushing south. They're pushing west. They're pushing west. Stop them west. You're defense in the west now. Defense in the west. Good job. We're gonna counter in 7 seconds, boys. We're gonna counter everything on the crowd, okay? In 7 seconds. Everybody west now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep west now, boys. Deep west on the crowd. On the crowd. On the crowd. Drop everything on the crowd. Drop everything on the crowd. Drop everything on the crowd. Good job. We're killing them. We're killing them. Keep pushing southwest. Keep pushing southwest. Keep pushing southwest. Trust me. Trust me. Catch them. Catch. 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 Catch everything. Catch everything. They're running, boys. Okay, they're done. Catch everyone. Catch everyone. Ping. 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 Boys. Ping. 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 Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Another
These
call
are
is
the
here.
Where, where, where? Ping.
8-2 na blood letter. Ito.
This guy, go. Oh. Yo, get this guy, get this guy. There's one more here. Come to the ping, come to the ping. Party 1, no one died. Party 1, no one died. I love it, guys.
Oh shit.
Wag yung gang, hoy, wag yan.
Wag yan.
Uy!
82, one only died. One died only. Good job. Nice, nice defensives. Nice.
Can you help me here?
Where is he? Where is he? Ping, 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 ping,
Maraming big bomb dito, maraming big bomb.
They're holding
Okay,
it.
okay. Where? Go back.
Ito H nila, H.
They're going to their hideout.
Dami dito.
Okay. Try to catch them to hideout. Try to catch them to hideout.
Naka-dismount ata.
Counted dito. H.
Yo, get this guy. Yo, just full push, and dismount on their face.
They're all
Dismount on their face.
outlaw.
Dismount on their face. Dismount on their face and catch them. 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 Catch them, boys. Catch them. Drop everything. Yo, they're trying to zone in sa HO. Kill everybody in the hideout. There's one more here in the hideout.
Nagpapasok.
Kill this guy. Kill point.
Mas magaling ako magtuhog tercos.
Ayun na, wala akong stock. Ayun na, last hit ka lang eh. Ikaw like, hanggang chine-check mo sure na patay. Ina ako.
Yo, heals in the up the wall. Okay, good job. Come back. I don't think they're gonna declare anymore.
Pag nakasampu
But
ako.
let's see, okay? Come back. Okay, everybody mount up. Mount up. And then come to the tail.
Fuck this wall.
Actually, saan natin pwede back to? Come southwest. We're just gonna back.
Portal.
Everybody, portal?
Portal na.
Hindi tayo. Oh, sige.
Southeast.
Southeast, northeast na.
Southeast.
Northeast na lang. Sige.
May laban sa enclave eh. Tama, enclave.
Pero sakto yung outline nyo. Northeast na.
Wala na akong outlaw.
Northeast. Good job, guys.
Wala, tapos na ba? Dimas na ba to?
No, we're not gonna
Ay.
We're just gonna bank our loots.
We can still
We'll just
declare
back
by the way.
Yeah. We're just gonna, guys, again, bank loots and then come back.
Sama naman yung tanong na yun. Excited. Nagank na nga ako ng isa eh. Babawi pa muna ako ng kill, sayang naman.
Ang sarap ng 8.2 na blood letter na ng patay ko. 3M
Sarap,
pin.
diba?
Putang ina.
Imagine only one death, guys. Full fight again. Good job.
Sino
Uh,
nagsabi na friendly tayo with Shark Shoe?
I don't know.
Tayo sa Chogeyawa.
We're not really friendly with them.
Sinabi ko kanina, dalawang guild.
Oo, Shark
Shark
Shoe
Shoe.
ano eh. Sila
Yung Shark Shoe,
din yung
pagka-GA sila eh. Nung pagka-GA sa atin, ay in-engage ko eh. Patay eh.
Sila yung naging-gauge sa atin yung pagbalik natin sa pag-engage sa Big Mom.
Oo, yung bigla lumabas sa southwest natin.
Nag-break sila kanina eh.
Mustache parang.
Yun eh.
Okay, everybody hold northeast, okay? Everybody hold please. We're gonna bank. We're gonna bank. We're gonna bank. And then remove your OC. We're gonna remove OC. Yeah. Remove OC afterwards.
Wow, wait, ikaw pala yun, Segis. Ang bilis ah.
Ay not, ano na lang, i-ano mo na lang yan.
Yan.
I-extend na lang.
Extend na lang.
Para isang OC break lang.
Ah, okay.
I-read mo naman yan eh.
Oh, sige. Don't remove OC guys, don't remove.
Just extend.
As soon as 0-0, like 10 seconds left, re-OC ka ha. Re-OC. As soon as 10 seconds left.
Mint daw coming to the portal.
Okay. We're gonna re-gear.
The attack galing.
Yeah, we're gonna re-OC guys. We're gonna re-OC.
Oh, extend OC. What not 3 OC? What do you mean?
Just
OC
extend.
guys. Extend OC.
3 OC
Extend
pagkahuba rin.
Extend OC.
Right now? Mamaya.
Yep.
Later,
Right-
later.
right
You
now.
Later.
extend OC. If
Okay, so
like 10 seconds left for your OC, then you extend. Or gusto mo like 30 seconds before expiration.
Wala namang difference. If
Ganun din
ma-extend
wala
ngayon.
bang difference?
Walang difference.
Okay, just re-OC.
Just added lang. Added time lang.
Basically 1 hour.
Magpapatong. Okay.
Basically 1 hour din OC mo.
Okay, just re-OC na. Re-OC na.
Buy food, yeah. Yun na lang.
Buy food guys. Buy food.
May nagre-OC nga.
Yeah.
Gago.
Ewan na.
Ano yan?
Puta.
Gonna tab.
Uy, nagkapatay yung rootbound. Si ano.
Okay, everybody bank your loads in the... Saan iba-bank?
Maldito.
Donut tab in the Lickers portal. And as soon as you bank,
Remember guys, we have loot logs. We can see if you looted.
Uy, huwag mo sabihin. Awit na yan. Pumangkit.
Sabihin, ang dami naglulot to.
Awit pa yan.
Pati yung
yeah, everything. Guys,
Nice.
Guys, come southwest ha.
Lahat. Everything, including your gears. Donate it.
Guys, as they said, everything, including gigapots, kahit yung rough logs pa yan.
So what are you gonna do?
I'll go back and defend. I don't know if they might go back to peak and I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But I will hold until 17 UTC.
Hopefully it's just they're fighting in shore.
Sure. Okay. Are they
Yeah.
still fighting?
Let them.
You wanna join?
No.
Or
Who
go
is
base
fighting? Who
castle?
is fighting? Okay, we can go castle. You wanna go castle?
Let's go castle then.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Wait lang. Is there any other castle that's nearby? Ayun lang yung malapit sa ano no? Sa lake.
Peninsula.
Hindi. Kapag kasi nag-peninsula tayo, babalik tayo para mag-defend sa Strand and Levy if ever.
Okay.
Just go Bay, please. Bay is much more
Gandang loot ni sa X.
easier for us to go back. And most
Okay,
likely,
okay. Everybody-
Big Man will not declare anymore because it will take them a long time.
Okay, okay. We're-
ready.
Okay, we're holding southwest now guys. We're holding southwest. We're gonna go to Enclave, then to the they call this
Levy.
no Enclave, and then to the tunnel,
Tunnel.
and then North Bluff and Bay.
Salamat Yuzi ha. Pinagdagat mo yung skill.
Bring your hammer, guys, for Bay.
Yeah, bring hammers, boys. Bring hammers. Bring hammers. Bring hammers. Okay, everybody, prepare to zone southwest, okay? Prepare to zone southwest. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zone southwest. We're gonna go SMB. Not SMB. Sure ka na, hindi na mag-declare. Sayang, na-declarean tong enclave. Pero yun nga, kailangan natin i-hold.
Sige. May time pa naman kung gusto nila mag-declare.
But it will take them a while.
Basta na yung unang gate.
Nice
So,
info
prepare.
yung sa Southwest. Kaso sobrang late na yun, guys. Like, D-Tanks, next time, if they're, like, we're already near the gate. Tapos saka kayo nagsabi na may red sa Southwest. Na-engagean tayo doon. Sayang.
Namatay nga si Pogyo doon eh.
Oh, si Pugyo lang namatay doon, si Pugyo, from Southwest. Kasi ang ganda ng defensive natin doon sa... Guys, go directly Southwest.
Ano ng defensive naman na, big map. Engaging yung bounce pa ni DP. Na all side. Cancel lahat.
That's also cancel. We're holding Southwest ha. Party 2, invite citizens please. Almosal, search, where are you guys? We're holding Southwest, okay? We're holding Southwest. Okay, we're holding Southwest for now. But there's a lot of tail. Diesel, you can go through, man. You can go through and go to SMB. Tell me what's happening there.
Yung bounce
Holding
pa
Southwest.
talaga.
Hindi gusto nila sa mga can't deny them. As long as castle, okay lang. Huwag ko lang open world, pre. Huwag lang open world. Medyo mahihirapan po tayo sa open world kapag multiple enemies. Kung Big Mom, kunyari Big Mom lang, okay lang, Dons. Isa lang naman eh. Kapag multiple kasi, mahirap. Kasi hindi natin alam kung saan magka-fight minsan.
So wala pa silang pang fight.
Baka na-spotlight tayo sa ZBZ.
There's a
blob here
in Stone Mount North Bluff. I'm just checking it.
Torta ko yung pinapanood nila oh. Torta ako pa to.
Ano to? Big Bomb? Big Bomb yung nasa block.
Big Mom. Ilan disarray?
5D.
Hindi siguro makakapag-declare yan.
Pero nung
Makakapag-declare
1627, nagpa-fight yata tayo nito eh. Nag-ano yung AOTV.
Iba yung tinitingnan ni Alban.
Hindi, mamaya pa yan. Pagka, asan na
Guys,
kami?
zone.
Eh,
Nag-zone.
zone pala.
Sabi na ako ng zone. Sabi na ako ng
Sorry.
zone. Go directly southwest in peaks. I'm
Stone Mount.
holding... Yeah, we're gonna go to Stone Mount Bay. We're gonna get the castle there.
May nag-aaway yata dito.
Andun yung andun yung TV oh. Andun yung laban.
Saan? Sa peak?
Oh, hindi, sa bench.
Ay, sabi. De-declare. Sino
Oh,
to?
gago. Sabi yung panood.
Si Regroup versus Western.
Wait, where?
Stone Mount
Bay.
Sa bay.
SMB?
Tignan mo yung timer baka mamaya delay. Alam ko medyo delay.
Timer yan.
Hindi.
Oh.
Ano? Ay, 16:30. Delay nga. Ako.
Oh, bali
May-
14
Ano
minutes.
pa dito?
Guys, we're holding southwest for the tail, ha? We're holding southwest for the tail. Wala pa naman nag-drop ng banner, no?
Meron ng banner dito sa Bay.
Ngayon? Ngayon?
Oo,
Like literally
meron.
ngayon?
Oo. Nasa
Oh.
first gate pa lang sila.
Is there-
PC.
PC.
Sa castle naman tayo, hindi naman tayo pupuntahan.
Prioritize natin castle.
Hold southwest lang tayo, hold southwest.
Grabe
Declare
yung
kaya
fake
natin
pulse.
yung DJ.
Crystal
Level
Gun.
7.
Ano,
Yo,
sir?
Ran.
Dedeclarean ba natin
Oy,
sa bay?
may cut.
Oy, ginagang ako dito. Ginagang ako. Fuck.
Where?
On ping.
Where?
May cut road dito. Ito.
Ba't i-
Dismounted.
T9.
Where is he?
Ito.
Get him. Where? Go to the south.
T9.
Sa west.
Piniping ko. Dalawa to, T9.
Oh, ito po rin yun na to. Ito.
Lenyo.
Gago,
Ay.
nakalagpas.
Yung isa yung northwest. Ito. The pink.
We're not declaring.
Meron
Let peace declare. And then
Okay.
we're just gonna meet our partner. We'll
Okay.
focus
Pero
on
wala
the-
ako this next.
Yeah, it's okay.
This,
It's okay. Focus on the castle instead. We just want to
Okay.
chill it out.
Yo, spread. He's in B. Spread. Guardian armors.
Gago,
Where?
nakapag-mount up. Kupal.
Wala na.
Oh, wala na.
Okay na. Okay, everybody hold southeast.
Lancer, the blob here dito sa northwest side ng North Bluff, it's gonna be Big Mom 7 disarray.
Where? North Bluff?
Yeah,
North
you
Bluff.
just near the portal in the next one.
Okay, we're holding. Okay. Nag-give up na sila siguro sa war. Hindi na sila nag-declare. Okay. Oh, okay. Push.
I mean, we can
Or-
push them down there.
Balak atang tulungan ano, Big Mom yung Biyok.
Party zone, party zone.
TC kasi is angry of Western Paradise if you guys don't know. Okay, they have like
Aizu. No helmet. Kasi
Gago.
nire-rate sila.
Wala ako nakapag-extend.
Go back to hideout. Go back to hideout. It's much more faster.
Nag-wait ka pa kasi sa 10 seconds, yun.
Hindi ko alam. Alam ko nasa...
Zancher, Big Mom running, Big Mom running.
Mamaya pa. Kala ko
where's
mamaya.
That's, yung sa blob, that blob.
Going, yeah.
Okay,
Going north.
ilang disarray ba sila?
7.
7.
Gago, akala ko may time pa ako.
Ano nabasa?
HNDD, where are you?
Catch?
HNDD? HNDD, where are you? HNDD. Do I have my chariot still here? Right? Okay.
Nandito pa si Chariot. Nandito.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, everybody's on. What's happening in Bay? Who's in Castle? Who's in...
Wala pa
Punta
access.
sa castle.
Okay, let's go to the castle.
Load ka ng live ko.
Sit. Okay, let's go to the castle first. Who's fighting?
Ngayon pa rin, patros pa.
So, cutthroat,